those videos are for edit na. So, ayun. Just wanted to show you guys kung ano na yung progress natin. So, eto, meron tayong studio and I build up my own house here in the province. So, hopefully, magawa ko na yung content. Meron ako mga videos kung paano na-build yung ating home studio dito. So, bahay/home studio and working setup. Magkakaroon din tayo ng studio talaga. Yung tipong magpo-photoshoot tayo. Kasi hindi lang content creation yung ginagawa natin. We are also a professional photographer and videographer. So, nag-film tayo, nagko-cover tayo ng mga events. And we do some photo shoot. So, yun yung ating extracurricular activities. We are not full-time with that. I'm still a software engineer. So, yun yung main work natin. And, ayun guys. Thank you. Thank you sa pagsuporta sa akin. And eto na yung studio natin. And by the way, the next video na i-upload natin, abangan nyo. So, kung paano ko sinet up to, or I mean, kung paano ko nagkaroon ng lighting na effect na ganito. So, I will be teaching you on how to light yourself. So, para magkaroon ng medyo ganitong vibes, kind of vibes. So, behind the scenes, step by step. Kung ano yung mga ginamit ko, lahat. Kung paano ko siya sinet up. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Yun yung next video natin.